Hello guys, welcome to the Parrot Puzzler. I was going to say good morning. It's not morning for you. It's morning for me. I do this every week. I hope you're well. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I hope you have been well and truly spoilt by now. Happy Mother's Day to my mother. Thank you very much, Mum. It's quiz day, obviously. I'm sorry, my mind is very much in the kitchen. We're very busy today, obviously. Between the Parrot and the Dolphin, we've got about 350 booked, I think, which is pretty cool. So yeah, thanks to everyone that's coming. And if you've been, thank you. It's odd recording this in the morning for it to go out in the night time, not knowing what's going to happen in between. Anyway, it's quiz time. 20 questions. Let's do it. Question 1. Who is the current Pope? Question 2. Which Premier League football team plays their home games at King Power Stadium? Question 3. Who is the author of the book Misery? Question 4. Glossophobia is a fear of what? Glossophobia. I think that's how you pronounce it. Glossophobia. Question 5. The clarinet is part of which family of instruments? Question 6. In Roman mythology... So, when I write these questions, they seem okay. When I read them back, I'm like, wow, how did I write that? Okay. Question 6. In Roman mythology, what did Romulus and Remus suckle from? Question 7. Sorry. What is the parent company of YouTube? Question 8. Which is the first month in a calendar year to have just 30 days? Question 9. Who played Billy Elliot in the movie of the same name alongside Julie Walters? Question 10. Who invented the motor car? Question 11. How many countries are there in Africa? I'll give you some leeway. Let's say 3 either side. Question 12. Which vegetable is the main ingredient in coleslaw? Question 13. In star signs, which sign is represented by a ram? Question 14. Who owns Sports Direct? Question 15. Which group sang the song A Town Called Malice? Question 16. Annie Leibovitz is a leading figure in which field? Question 17. What shape road signs give warnings to drivers? Question 18. What is 30% of 600? Question 19. What colour is the cross on the flag of Jamaica? And question 20. In what year was WhatsApp first released? I think this is quite a tough quiz this week. I apologise. I do apologise. Okay, so that is your 20 questions done. If you fancy a real-life pub quiz, we still have a couple of spaces left, or a couple of tables left for the quiz here on the 28th Yeah, so if you fancy a pub quiz in the outside in, it's always a good laugh. We have dinner at 6 o'clock, and then the quiz round about 7, quarter to 7, once everyone's finished eating. It's all, like I say, it's a good laugh. So give us a call if you want to book in for that. I don't think I've got anything else to tell you, have I? A spring fair here at the Parrot on the 15th of April. Maureen of Thorpeness, Maureen Jones, she is organising it with some help of some others. It's going to be in the outside in and sort of in a little bit of garden out the back of the Parrot. We're just raising money for charity. So that's on the 15th of April. On Good Friday, which is the 7th of April, beach clean in Thorpeness. We do this every year at the Dolphin. So meet at the Dolphin at 10 o'clock for a cup of tea or coffee, then head off to the beach, do your bit. And I think now it sort of encapsulates, whatever. They do the common as well. Because we have so many volunteers, which is amazing. And that doesn't mean you can't help, okay? Just because we have so many. Please, a Good Friday, 10 o'clock. It's a good fun day or morning. They go out for an hour and a half, then back to the Dolphin, hot dogs in the garden afterwards. And then all the kids gather around and tell stories about what they've found. Like, it's quite funny sometimes, but really interesting. It's really nice that the community comes together to do this sort of thing. Anyway, let's get on with the answers. Let's see how well you've done. Again, apologies, because I'm realising now it's quite a hard quiz. Question 1, who is the current Pope? Francis, if you've put I don't know what number he is, but Francis will do. Question 2, which Premier League football team play their home games at King Power Stadium? It's Leicester City. Question 3, who is the author of the book Misery? It's Stephen King. Question 4, glossophobia is a fear of what? Public speaking. Question 5, the clarinet is part of which family of instruments? It's a woodwind. Question 6, in Roman mythology, what did Romulus and Remus suckle from? It was a wolf, or what it actually says is a she-wolf, but a wolf will do. Question 7, what is the parent company of YouTube? It's Google. Question 8, which is the first month to have just 30 days? It's April. Question 9, who played Billy Elliot in the movie of the same name alongside Julie Walters? It's Jamie Bell. Question 10, who invented the motor car? It was Carl Benz. A lot of people think it was Ford. No. Carl Benz in Germany. Question 11, how many countries are there in Africa? So there are 54. I gave you a leeway of 3 either side. So you can have 57 or 51. That's quite a range. Question 12, which vegetable is the main ingredient in coleslaw? That's cabbage. Question 13, in star signs, which sign is represented by a ram? That's Aries. Question 14, who owns Sports Direct? So it's the Fraser Group or Michael Ashley. Either one. Question 15, which group sang the song A Town Called Malice? It's the Jam. Question 16, Annie Leibovitz is a leading figure in which field? It's photography. Question 17, what shape road signs give warnings to drivers? They are triangular. Triangle? Yeah, that will do. Question 18, what is 30% of 600? It's 180. Question 19, what colour is the cross on the flag of Jamaica? It is yellow. And question 20, in what year was WhatsApp first released? 2009. That's it. I hope you've done all right, guys. I apologise if you didn't. I'll make it easier next week, maybe. But yeah, that's it. I hope you've all had a smashing day and have a good evening. I am going to be off. My mouse is not moving. I'm going to be off back to the kitchen. Happy days. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you later. Goodbye.